Hey everyone, if you spend hours trying to build a report, this is going to be very helpful for you. Today I'm testing Blackbox AI's remote agent feature and analyze datasheets, generate insights completely on its own. So let's see how it works. I have a weekly datasheet, but manually checking for trends and metrics takes forever. Let's see if AI can handle it. This is the datasheet I work with normally. It's full of numbers, totals and matrices. It's easy to miss trends if you are doing this by hand. This is the remote agent feature. I can tell it exactly what I want and it will work on my datasheet automatically. So let me say analyze this datasheet and find trends, summarize key matrices and create charts for the weekly report. As you can see, it's automatically detecting trends, generating charts and summarizing key insights. What used to take hours is taking minutes. Here's the final result, a clean, ready to use report with matrices, visualization, no manual work required. Remote agent is perfect for weekly performance, reports, marketing analysis, sales, dashboard, basically anything that takes time processing manually. This is why I use Blackbox AI's remote agent feature that it analyzes the whole data in few minutes and it can generate the insights and even analyze what's wrong and it can even organize the datasheet on its own, and that's it.